the president of San Nicolas Pangasinan Association of Southern California. May I call on Ray Rodrigo to give us his message for tonight.
Thank you, sir. Mahalo, San Nicolanians and friends. Good evening. We are here once again for our annual Town Fiesta celebration, and this year is quite unique because for the very first time, instead of formal attire, everyone are looking good with their Hawaiian shirts and dresses. I would like to thank you, the whole executive committee, led by our Vice President, Roylan Mejia Jr. Thank you for their efforts on tonight's occasion so we can have an enjoyable and fiesta to remember. I would also like to thank you, Ms. Martha Klingkling Polak, for her generosity in donating the 3 trophies for tonight's Miss Hawaii, Mr. Hawaii, and Mrs. Hawaii 2011. Thank you, President. Klingkling and I initiated a project for San Nicolanian Public Market Restoration through my sannicolas.org and Facebook. A lot of our kababayans are willing to help and made pledges. I told Mayor Jangit Saldivar about our plan, and he told me that they will restore it right away. Mapainsamat na si Tayupay madlati agpaaramid ti Pagiswanda. So Ms. Polak, tingin na naman tayo ng ibang pwede nating punain at baka sakaling ipagawa na naman ni Mayor. Let's welcome our friends from Kamiling Association of Southern California, headed by the President, Edwin Diego. Mahalo, Mr. President and members. Thank you, sir, for coming. Let's enjoy the night and have a happy fiesta, everyone. God bless us all and God bless San Nicolas. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. Did I tell you about his speech during the